Just to have the surgery and just be able to lose weight and be healthy. From the minute I decided to have the surgery, I had no worries, no qualms. Am I doing the right thing? Is something going to happen during surgery? Never once did I think twice about, did I make the right decision? I was comfortable the whole time. It's so easy. I didn't think about it beforehand, what I could have and what I couldn't have, except for what they taught you. And now it's just an everyday thing. Everyone has their own favorites, what you can eat and what you can't eat. It's so simple.
Originally, when I was researching the other places, I was really nervous. I didn't know what to expect. Everyone said, oh, it's amazing, best care you'll ever have, amazing place, blah, blah, blah. And I'm still like, oh, I don't know. But all of those feelings went away when I found them. Like I said, I don't know if it was just divine intervention saying, this is the one for you, but I wasn't nervous. It felt right. As soon as I found it and I knew that was it, it was like I couldn't get there fast enough. I had been procrastinating for 3 years doing this surgery, and when I found them, it was like, okay, this is it. I just wish I would have done it sooner.
Mostly, of course, being the foreigner in this situation. I'm not a world traveler myself, so being the foreigner, not knowing the language, not understanding the people very much, is a concern. So that was probably my biggest thing, of not being able to communicate with somebody that's caring for me medically, but that was not an issue at all.
I was lucky enough to have family that had already done it, and so I knew to expect only the best care. For maybe someone that wouldn't know that, maybe they would think it's hard to understand, not knowing the language, where to go, how to get there, what the facility looks like, the hospital care, the sanitary equipment used. But as I got there, everyone spoke English, and they knew what to ask and check your health, and were very attentive and answered any questions that you had.
Okay, so I've lost 65 pounds, and I went, it's been 18 months ago. Oh, since the surgery, it has changed my life. I am so much happier, and it's brought many miracles and blessings into my life because I'm happier. So I have noticed that it was the beginning of many blessings and miracles, and I of course feel better, I have more energy, I look better, and it's just the greatest miracle. I've sent a lot of my friends, and they're all doing amazing.
Well, I started at 239, and I am 164, so that's 75 pounds. Holy Hannah, yeah, that's like as much as my daughter weighs, 7 years old or 8 years old, yeah. I've come out of my shell a lot more. My hips don't hurt anymore. My knees don't hurt anymore. After surgery, I've changed a lot of things, like eating, obviously, but it plays a lot in your mental status as well. And so I've just my whole life, really, my whole life.
I'm a single mom of a very busy little boy, and so I have found that I can be much more active. I have lost 50 pounds, and I felt confident this summer to go swimming with him in a swimsuit, to play basketball, to go for walks and runs. I feel so much energy because the foods that I am now choosing are actually fueling my body. And my skin feels good, looks good. My hair is just growing so much, and I feel amazing. I feel happy, confident.
So my surgery date was June 24th, so today I'm 8 weeks out, so 2 months. I've lost a total of 63 pounds since my procedure. Amazing results. I, of course, have all the classic comorbidities, high blood pressure, diabetes. I sleep with a CPAP machine. Immediately after surgery, no longer on metformin. Maybe that's a yucky medicine. I mean, I still am taking my blood pressure medicine, but the difference is before, even with all the blood pressure medicine I'm on, it was still high and unruly. Now it's leveled out. I also do walk with a cane because I do have bad knees, which is kind of the precursor of the beginning of why I need the surgery, so that I can have the knee replacement. I can walk so much better. The inflammation in my body is completely different. You know, the mental side of what creates obesity still will always exist, but it is so much easier to control all of it, the impulses to eating, the emotional sides of eating after surgery, because there's just not much room left.
Well, I tell everybody, except for marrying my husband, having the surgery is the best thing that's ever happened for me. I was pre-diabetic. I was on medicine for that. I was on medicine for high blood pressure, on medicine for cholesterol, and my family history was not very good, so you could see the direction it was going. And then you're not so close with your husband anymore. And so I had the surgery, and right away, I'm off of those meds. I look like a female again that's attractive to her husband. I feel healthier. My husband had the surgery too, and he feels healthier. We're closer together, we're more active together, and I'm just so grateful.